Can I stop third-party cookies from tracking me, or have the cookies already won? Good question. Lucky for you, I've got this nifty-difty little tape that should give us a few tips. Roll the tape. Hello, I'm Cookie Smasherson, and welcome to How to Smash Cookies with Cookie Smasherson. You'll learn 3 basic defenses that anyone can use against third-party cookies. Deny, delete, and disguise. You're browsing the internet using your high-speed data connection. Your page loads up, and you're accosted with pop-up after pop-up asking you to accept the cookie policy. Deny those cookies. You gotta delete those cookies. Get them out of here. Leave my data alone, you no good for nothing advertisers. But how can you defend yourself against the cookies of internet's future? Disguise. There are extensions that can help you contain third-party cookies and keep them from tracking you between clicks. With these 3 techniques, you can browse the internet safely, knowing your PC and identity are a little safer than what they were yesterday. I'm Cookie Smasherson. Deny, delete, and disguise. Anyway, while those 3 methods are some of the easier ways you can prevent cookies from tracking you, there are other ways you can keep yourself protected, like using private browsing windows or using a browser that has moved away from traditional cookies altogether. Maybe you heard Google is planning on phasing out cookies from Chrome. That's fantastic, but if you want cookie defense now, Firefox is a browser that already does that. You go, Firefox. Well, that's all the time we have for this week's episode. Hopefully, you learned a thing or 2 about cookies. Is it just me, or does anyone else have a weird hankering for cookies right about now?